In a small town where nature once thrived, a dark shadow loomed as pollution choked the life out of the skies. The cheerful songs of birds which once filled the air became mere echoes of a forgotten past. The townspeople began to notice the silence. Children marched with signs pleading for change, their innocent voices united in hope. An elderly woman, once vibrant with stories of nature's beauty, now watched in sorrow as the birds, once lively and bright, perched somberly on empty trees. Inspired by a newfound determination, the community came together, planting trees and cleaning their beloved park, seeking to restore the beauty they cherished. As the sun set, silhouetted against a vibrant sky, the birds took flight once more, a reminder that hope still lingered in the hearts of those who cared.